So the first point is linguistic state. The meaning of linguistic means a place which is divided according to the language which is spoken in that particular area. Just like in Belgium, we have learned that how the entire country was divided according to the language they speak. In the same manner, the meaning of linguistic state is to create a new state or a new area where only that particular language is being spoken by the people who are residing over that place. The creation of linguistic state was the first and major test for democratic politics in our country. So the creation for the linguistic state was one of the major problem which our Indian leaders had faced in order to implement the federalism. If you look at the political map of India when it began its journey as a democracy in 1947 and that of 2017, you will be surprised by the extent of the changes. Many old states have vanished and many new states have been created. Areas, boundaries and names of the state have been changed. So as you can see in this political map of India, the many regions are being changed and even the name of that particular area is also changed, and how the Indian territory when it got independence from the British rule has reduced. So go through this map, you will able to understand it. In 1947, the boundaries of several old states of India were changed in order to create a new state. So in the year 1947, when the old states of India were changed into a new state so that they can be a part of Indian territory. This was done to ensure that people who spoke the same language live in the same state. So what was the reason that the old state of India was changed into the new state? The reason was to ensure that people who spoke the same language live in the same state. Some states were created not on the basis of language but to recognize difference based on culture, ethnicity or geography. So one was the reason was this, and the other reason was that they have created the new state on the basis of culture, ethnicity and geographical aspect. This includes states like underlined Nagaland, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand. So these are the states which are made on the basis of culture, ethnicity and geography.